Which is the future for cogeneration systems and district heating and cooling networks in Europe?
What we're trying to devise here is a strategy on heating and cooling for the European Union going forward. Obviously we're starting now, but we're really not starting now. We're starting from a very strong base of technology development that's already happened in Europe and from practices that already operate. And for example, CHP is already very well established in the European Union, as are district heating systems, especially in some member states in the European Union. And what we want to do is to build on our expertise, build on the investments that we have already made, but take us forward to a situation where over time we firstly reduce the overall demand, and that really leads to a lot of the work that we're doing in the energy efficiency space for buildings, building the envelopes, insulation, windows, etc. So firstly, overall reduce the demand, and the demand that remains then to ensure that it's sustainable and cost effective. And within that paradigm then, we will not pick technology winners, because we shouldn't. There will be different solutions for different parts of Europe, depending on where they're starting from and depending on what they need to achieve in this reasonably long-term perspective.
What should be the role of the European Commission in this process?
Well, we're launching the discussions on the strategy today. It was announced yesterday as part of the Energy Union, and as Commissioner Cañete confirmed in his presentation this morning, this is one of our top priorities. It's a strategy that takes heating and cooling in from the outside, because to some extent it's been the Cinderella of the energy policy, so it does rather put it at the centre stage, which I think is excellent, but it's also a strategy that we're putting together for the first time. So what we see is that we have a role, firstly, to launch the political process, which is what we're doing yesterday and today, listen to all of the stakeholders, pick up what they're saying to us. We're also doing some analysis, some studies in order to pick up the database that will support this, put together what the elements are we feel are most appropriate in a strategy, interact again with the stakeholders, because this is not a process or a journey that we will make on our own. We will do it in collaboration with others. And on the basis of that collaboration, come out then with the framework elements of a strategy.